Just before we go to the headlines, listeners, I have a bit of news to share with you. After 5 incredible years behind this microphone, this will be my final week with you. Indeed, it is my final week at Nationwide News. My last day in office will be this Friday, February 27, and my last day hosting this show will be tomorrow, Tuesday, February 24. I want you to know it has been the greatest honor of my life to sit in this studio behind this microphone and to share perspectives with you. And it has been my privilege to challenge, to explain, and sometimes simply to listen. And I know some of you, to annoy you. Your calls, your messages, your disagreements, your encouragement, they have shaped me as much as I have shaped any national conversation. You see, radio is an intimate thing, and you've invited me into your cars, your kitchens, your workplaces, and your lives. And I've never taken that for granted, so thank you. I'm eternally grateful to Cliff, George, Tyrone, Wayne, Marjorie, and all the fantastic editors I've worked with during my time here. They've made me a better journalist and a better man, a way better man. I'm also incredibly grateful to my outstanding colleagues in the newsroom, all of you. I doubt I have ever had a better job than being your editor. Thank you also to the administrative team, Simone especially. Thank you to the tech team, the sales and marketing team, accounts, and the wider Nationwide staff. My sojourn in journalism has always been about nation building, and that passion has not left me. As I move into a new phase of my career, I will continue to build up this country I love so much. As I sign off on this chapter of my professional story, I do so with deep gratitude. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for holding me accountable. I hope you will all keep the conversations going, stay informed, and passionate about our country and its affairs. That's the only way we will ensure that she plays her part in advancing the welfare of the whole human race. So once again, thank you all. It has been my honor and privilege. The headlines are next.